Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can easily add a photo on the top of our videos in CapCut mobile. Alright guys, here I have created a project in my CapCut application. Then here I have imported my video to this CapCut project. And first of all, we can click on this overlay option and click on add overlay. And we have to choose a photo category right here and select a photo that you want to add to your video. And for example, I'm just gonna add this photo. We can click on the photo, then click on add. Actually, you can add more than one photo. You just need to click on the photo like this to select it. But here I'm just going to add one photo. Okay, then we can click on add. And as you can see that now the photo has been added to my video, and I'm going to adjust it. I'm going to place it right here, and I'm going to remove the background of this photo. Okay, and this is the result guys, and I'm going to make this photo align with the video so we can extend the clip like this. And okay, this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can easily add a photo on the top of our video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.